Yo guys, what is up? And we are back with a new video. Welcome to the Cloud Surfer Mr. Vic channel. And today we're gonna be unboxing the tools to fix my drone because one of the propellers broke, guys, sadly, a couple of days back. I was flying in Amsterdam, and what had happened is that I forgot to close the SD slot on the drone, and the goggles do remind you every time to do that, guys, but I didn't, and fast forward, the propeller just went spinning, and I heard crack, so it was like broken, but thank God, the original set comes, this whole combo set comes with 2 extra propellers, and yeah, guys, without further ado, I'm gonna actually unpack the tools to switch up these propellers. So without further ado, let's go into the unboxing, guys, because the package arrived today. Lego. I am super excited because I went to the Media Markt yesterday and they didn't have it in stock in the store. So yeah, I had to order that one online. So let's see what happens. Media Markt, ooh, it is looking good. I am super happy with this one. Kitty. So like, all right, so it comes with a couple of stickers as usual, some coupons from Media Markt. We're gonna get into all of that later. But this is what I have been talking about, guys. Oh my God, this is the Hama toolkit, and it comes with all the screws that you need for actually repairing your drone. So I'm gonna be a drone repairer in a minute. Oh my God, this is gonna be so exciting. I have never done this before. I might make a video on that, but I'll just think about that for a minute. And guys, can't wait to see you in the next video. It's gonna be exciting. We're gonna have some fun for you later on the day, all right? See you, keep the positive energy up, keep going, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.